Nano Wellbeing Grill Installation and Maintenance Video Tutorial. Step 1. Install the roaster body. Tilt the base of the fan and vent go in first. Step 2. Install the control box. Step 3. Install the converter. Secure the converter with 4 screws from below. Plug the power cable into the control box. Step 4. Connect the control box to the grill base. Connect 4 cables by color. The order does not matter. Step 5. Assemble the grill. One. Install the table ring. 2. Install the drip pan. 3. Fill the drip pan with water to about 1 inch. 4. Install the grill plate. 5. Cover with the glass lid. And safely enjoy your Nano Wellbeing Grill. Maintenance. Replacing the fuse. Gloves are recommended. Only use the ABC20 ceramic fuse. Unscrew and take out the control box. Unscrew the fuse compartment. Carefully pull out the fuse compartment. Carefully pull out the fuse and replace with a new fuse. Carefully place the fuse compartment back into the control box. Secure the fuse compartment by turning clockwise with the screwdriver. Reinstall the control box and secure with 4 screws below. Maintenance. Replacing the grill. Uninstall the grill by removing 3 screws around the base. Flip the grill over to access the cables. Unplug all cables and remove the grill. Install the replacement grill. Connect 4 cables by color. The order does not matter. Move cables below. Secure the grill with 3 screws. And reinstall all grill parts. Nano Wellbeing Grill, nanotechgrill.com.